Hi everyone, welcome to Essie Cooks and welcome back to my vegan meal prep series. So in this one we're going to be meal prepping breakfast. We are going to make some peanut butter, chocolate, overnight oats with banana. So if you love chocolate and you love overnight oats, you can add extra protein powder to these, and these are an amazing grab and go breakfast. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. All right, so we've got a mixing bowl here. And the first thing we want to add is 2 cups of oats. So this is going to make 4 servings total. So you're going to have your meals for most of the week. It just saves so much time in the morning. I absolutely love it. So I'm using quick oats, but rolled oats will give it a little bit of a crunchier, a little bit more texture. So it is going to be a little bit mushier with the quick oats, but honestly myself, I prefer it. I like it. So you can just choose what works for you. So 2 cups of oats. All right, now totally optional, but if you want to bump up the protein content, you can add in a little bit of vanilla protein powder. I just have the pea protein powder here, so I'm going to add about 3 scoops of that. And for flavor, this is going to make it taste so good. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And now for the chocolate flavor, I have some cocoa powder here. So if you love chocolate, you can even add chocolate protein powder. Now, you might not need as much cocoa powder if you're adding in chocolate protein powder, so just keep that in mind. But I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And now I'm just going to give this a quick stir to combine it, just to combine all of my dry ingredients here, and then I'm going to add in my wet ingredients next. All right, I forgot to add my chia seeds in there, which is important for thickening it up. Extra protein, extra fiber, all those good things. So I have 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of plant milk of choice. I just have the almond coconut flavor here. So I'm going to add 2 cups of that in. And this is just for a little bit of extra sweetness. We can add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, so 1/8 cup of maple syrup. And then one of our other secrets to making this super delicious is 1/4 cup of all natural peanut butter. Now I'm just going to give that a really good stir to combine it as well. Be a good girl. Go. All right, now I'm just going to separate this into 4 containers. And then I'm going to throw them in the fridge. These need to sit in the fridge for 8 hours overnight, and they last up to 5 days. So it is just honestly the perfect meal prep. And we're going to put our favorite toppings on after as well. Now you can put any toppings you like, but I like to add some banana, a couple chocolate chunks, and a little extra drizzle of peanut butter. And there you have it, 4 breakfasts ready to grab and go for the whole week. I hope that you guys loved this video. If you want to see more vegan meal prep and more recipes like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.